Hi everyone, this is Pravati and my student ID is 10314629. This is Cybersecurity Lab 8 Part 2 assignment. In this, I'm gonna install Cleopatra in my laptop. Usually we can install it in laptop or else we can install it in vSphere. For this, I'm gonna create PGP public key or private key in Cleopatra. I have downloaded it already. Let's go to Cleopatra and create a new key pair here. I'm gonna give my name and my college mail ID. Tick this checkbox. Now we have to generate a passphrase here. See, we can see here the certificate has been created successfully with my name. Now let's export this and we'll save it in the downloads folder, as this is the public key. Now right click again to get the secret key and I'm gonna save it in the downloads again. Now we have to give the passphrase again here. Backup of the secret key was created successfully. Thank you.